me introduce you to my new Triumph Tiger 1050. It's registered there 1st of 2020. Because it was registered then, we obviously bought smarter, we got a good discount off it. I'd sold my Bmw S1000Xr a couple of months earlier, got 8.2 for a 16 plate bike, and paid just under 9 for this bike. 2-year warranty, all new things on it, cheaper service. Was the BMW any better, any worse? The BMW was a fantastic bike, absolutely brilliant bike. And I bought this based on cost and the fact I've got 2 years warranty. If we ever get a chance of going abroad, we'll be covered for warranty abroad as well. Why did I do a review? When I was reviewing, trying to see information on the Tiger, there wasn't many reviews done on it, so I just thought I'd do a wee review myself, give you a wee intro to it. If this is something you're interested in, I'll see it with the feedback, and I'll do some more reviews as we go on, keep you updated. Let me give you a small tour round about it. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. There we go, a wee tour of the Triumph 1050 Tiger Sport. You zoom in, I can see I asked for mine to come with, or to change the Pirellis. I'm not really happy with Pirellis, so I got a set of Michelin's fitted rather than running on the Pirellis. I have a Scott Oiler fitted, you can see it just running off the base of the chain there. A Scott Oiler mounting point here, and a nice wee optimizer fitted by the dealer before I got it, which I thought was nice of them. My bikes also came with TPMS, tyre pressure monitoring, which links to the dash so that we can see the tyre pressures is, save me checking them before I want to go out. You can see the colour coding, nice body colour coding running onto the wheels. Set of knuckle dusters on the bars. It's got an adjustable screen, you can adjust the screen in motion. It's easy enough done. I don't know how good or bad the screen is yet, I'll feed that back. Headlights, 2 headlights, and both headlights are on when you're running, giving you more chance to see and be seen. I like that. We've got upside down forkies, and you can see the Michelin tyres in the front there as well. I'm going to be buying a oil cooler and radiator guard for it, just to keep the dirt out of there, because it is new. If that's something you want to see fitted or getting fitted, let me know in the links and I'll release a wee video of me fitting that for you. What else have we got there? Got a wee belly pan, stainless steel exhaust, and a rear single arm swinging arm. We like that. Full visibility of the wheel, looks quite good. We've also got adjustable front and rear suspension if you wanted to be tweaking that. We'll see how that goes on in time. What have we got on the dash? The only drawback is some people talk about the new dashes in comparison to this dash. Personally, I can live with the old dash, less maintenance, less risk, less things to go wrong. There is a big gap in there which a lot of people comment on, and I would agree with that. It's one of the poorer things from that. The rest of it looks good. This colour's matte ice silver. What will I do in this that I can't do in the Beamer? Nothing. I can do everything on this I can do in the Beamer. I didn't expect mine with luggage. We're not going anywhere during the COVID. I'll be able to pick some luggage up second hand. If not, I'll buy new nearer the time when we can get a bigger tour. Mine didn't come with a centre stand. I thought it would be cheaper for me to buy and fit it myself. Again, if that's something you want to see being fitted, let me know and I'll make the wee video for that as well. What else do we need to know? Is this any better than the BMW? We'll find out as time goes on. Am I expecting it to be? I'm not expecting it to be any worse. What advantages have we got? 2-year warranty, younger bike, less maintenance. What about a thrill? The BMW is certainly a brilliant bike to drive, but you need to consider your licence nowadays as well. It's getting harder and harder to get anywhere. Hope you enjoyed this wee video, hope it was helpful. If it was, give it a wee thumbs up below. If there's any questions, if you want any updates, just let me know. Thanks for watching.